Warren Buffett, the world's most successful investor, has $325 billion in US Treasuries. Here's how you can replicate that and make money in 2025 in the stock market. Warren Buffett's not investing in stocks anymore right now. The stock market is overvalued with a price to earnings ratio that gives the S&P 500 a yield of some 3.5%. US Treasuries are yielding about 4.5%. Here's the thing, if you got involved in Treasuries right now, eventually the Federal Reserve will lower interest rates after we're done with the inflation numbers we've been seeing, plus tariff inflation that we'll get later on. Eventually, the Federal Reserve might lower interest rates down to 3.5%, 3%, maybe even 2.5%. You'll be sitting on interest rate instruments that are yielding 4.5%, meaning those are going to be very valuable in the future. How do you get involved in treasuries without getting involved in Chicago Board of Trade or any of the other commodity markets? Simple. TLT. TLT is an exchange traded fund, an ETF. It's an easy way for anybody who has an account to get involved in the treasury market. Now, there's an inverse relationship from price to yield. If price moves down, yields go up, and if yields are going down, price is going higher. Here's the thing. We're at the peak of the stock market. Walmart just reported forward guidance poor. Walmart sold off sharply. Then on Friday, we got consumer confidence numbers that showed that the consumer is tapped out. The stock market took a 2-day dive. We're probably seeing the very high in the stock market, which means the downside risk is huge. Savvy investors will get out of stocks and rush into bonds, which would push up price. Getting in now on TLT, the ETF, would be a wise investment for a portfolio strategy if you were an active trader in the markets. Stay tuned, there's a lot more coming.